We're going to go through the extra help video practice for 2.2.2, which is finding the y-intercept when you're given a point and the slope. So we are on page 20. So if you were struggling with independent practice, you should be watching this video. So the first thing, when given information about a line and asked to find a missing piece, we always want to plug in everything we know into our slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So anything we know goes into this. And it's super helpful to label everything that we know. So in this example, it says if m equals 1/4 and m is our slope, it's already labeled for us using the same letter, so that's good. If m equals 1/4 and a line passes through -12, 4, what is the value of b? So this b is our y-intercept that we're trying to find, and we have our point, and every point is x comma y. And this was already labeled with m. So now, using our slope-intercept form, we can plug in everything that we know. So I'm going to start with y, and we know that y is 4. So I have 4 equals m, which was our fraction 1/4, times x, which is -12, and then plus b, and we don't know what b is, so we leave it as the variable. So now when we simplify this and go to solve for b, I want to start by multiplying these two together. So my fraction of 1/4 times -12. When I multiply those together, I get -3. So I have 4 equals -3 plus b. To solve for b, I have to get it by itself, so I want to move the -3 to the other side. And because it's negative, I have to do the opposite. So I'm going to add 3 here and add 3 here. These will end up canceling out, so b is by itself. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So I ran out of room, so 7 equals b. And when I write it as a point, I get 0, 7. Because it's my y-intercept, the 7 goes in the y spot of my point. And this is my final answer. The last thing at the bottom says, remember the y-intercept is b, not y in the formula. This is the biggest mistake that we see every year because you hear y-intercepts, you think y, but that's not true. The y is the y value of the point. Y-intercept is the b. So y is just the y value of the point. So those are different things.